Welcome everybody to another episode of Dear Insurance Outsider, where we answer today's most pressing insurance questions. I'm Andrea Salazar, coming to you live one more time from a borrowed TV studio in an undisclosed location. And as always, it's my pleasure to introduce my guest today, Doug, aka the Insurance Outsider. How are you, Doug?
I'm doing wonderful, Andrea, and you're doing a wonderful job today, I might say.
Well, we're excited about insurance again, as we always are here. And today we're going to be talking about who needs life insurance anyway. So let's go ahead and move on to our question. Dear Mr. Insurance Outsider, let's say I'm 35. I plan on being around for a long time. My husband and I are raising our sons to go pro in either basketball or football, so money won't be a problem in the future. Would I need life insurance?
Well, Andrea, when I sit down with every husband and wife and they ask me, do I need life insurance? We basically go through a needs analysis of what they need. In the essence, if the husband would pass away or the wife would pass away. So in this situation, I would talk to them more about their income and how much would they need that income, because let's face it, there's only 450 players in the NBA out of the whole universe. So what would you need for the money with your family to provide for the education and all the activities that you would need if your husband or the wife would pass away?
What is the worst part about the employer-paid insurance fallacy?
Well, the fallacy, Andrea, is that you think that insurance is going to go with you forever. And if you're a regular employee and you have your insurance and you're 55 and you retire, that insurance policy doesn't go with you. So, unfortunately, we as humans, our bodies aren't like wine. The older we are, the better we get. Things inevitably happen. And so what happens in the life insurance world, the older you get, the more expensive insurance gets. So you're almost better off in every situation is to buy it when you're healthy and when you're young, and think appropriately to make the necessary planning and changes you need to make.
Dear Insurance Outsider, I get that life insurance is a good thing. I'd like my family to have some financial security if something happens to me. This coronavirus is freaking me out, but I'm not sure if I'm a good candidate. It's not like I'm running marathons and modeling swimsuits.
Well, look, Andrea, everybody always has a fear of getting life insurance. Everybody has a fear, and particularly now with COVID-19 going on, it's been elevated even higher. So what we've done is we've come up with an easy platform with no medical exam whatsoever. You can immediately go online and you can find out within 5 minutes what you can qualify for. So if you're only interested in $50,000 for coverage, then you decide that. You don't have to talk to an agent. You don't have to talk to anybody. You make that decision.
All right, folks, well, that's all the time we have for today, but make sure you ask us any question you've always wanted to know about insurance at questions@insuranceoutsider.com, brought to you by 4NoExam.com.